When migrating from legacy infrastructure, what should agencies know about cloud technologies?
Well, there's definitely a difference between having access to your data center and hands-on versus working with applications in the cloud. A lot of it is a change management type of attitude because you're relinquishing control. But you're not really, but you can't see your stuff physically, and so that is I think a change that's hard for a lot of IT shops to get used to. But once you see the benefits of the cloud, you don't have to do a lot of the things that you have to do now, like upgrade your infrastructure or get the infrastructure in place for your biggest event, right? So for public safety, you might have, hey, this is what we normally run on, but if we have a hurricane, we have to have the capacity to go this big. And so typically agencies will have to procure that infrastructure, have it sitting there waiting for a big event. Whereas when you're on the cloud, you can take advantage of the elasticity and the dynamics aspect of the cloud that can grow with your demand and then contract back to a normal workload. So you're not paying for all of that extra infrastructure, you're just paying for it when you need it on a demand basis.